Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, then now you know. And you guys, today I have a double unboxing. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. My name is Kenzie. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I like those a lot, but today we have a double unboxing. If any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding a little bell down there so you get notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. Sorry that I'm posting so many unboxings as of late. I did not mean for that to happen. It's just kind of how the cookie crumbled, I guess. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to be doing any more unboxings for the foreseeable future after these two. And honestly, these two were kind of spur of the moment decisions. So I'm very excited to show you this one. However, I hope the item is still inside because it is completely destroyed. Like you can see all the way inside. So I hope nothing got stolen. That would suck. But this one also I'm very excited about. As you may be able to tell, these are blind unboxings. I literally received these in the mail. I already had makeup on because I knew I was going to receive them today. And I got them from the UPS guy and then came up here to film. So I have not opened them yet. So let's start with this one. I kind of want to start with this one because I hope it's still in there and I hope nothing weird happened. I don't even think I need to use my scissors. Man, everything got destroyed. I mean, I'm glad the bow is still tied and like I can feel it in here, so I'm pretty sure it's in here. But as you can see, I did get something from Longchamp, and you guys, this item took me so long to get my hands on. Like, I did not know about this item until I saw it from Celesta. I'll have her channel linked in the description, and she does TikTok as well. I love her content. She's adorable and I think she's great. And she talked about this bag first and she did like a little DIY. I'm basically gonna copy Celesta. I'm not gonna do the DIY in this video because I don't have the items for it yet, but I'm gonna be doing exactly what she did. So Celesta, if you watch this video, thanks for the inspo. Not really inspo, I'm just copying you. I think it's a really cute idea. Anyways, very, very excited about this, but this particular item was completely sold out for the longest time. I'll tell you the story here in just a moment. Let me unbox this for you. I love that you get a little Longchamp little bag when you order. It's so cute. Here's the paper. Oh my God. Look. Oh no. It's bigger than I thought. Oh, this is so cute. Are you joking? So this is the highly coveted Longchamp Le Pliage pouch. Like cosmetics pouch with a handle, and people are turning this baby into a crossbody bag. This is technically a cosmetics pouch for you to like put in your tote bag, or for you to put in like another bigger bag, or just take traveling with you or whatever. And it's in the color paper. This is the one that I wanted specifically because I just loved the beigey kind of milky off-white, not ivory, but it's a really, really nice color. And then it has a beautiful brown leather on the front, and it has like reverse stitching. That's not what it's called, but basically it has the stitching around the brown leather is the same color as this bit. Guys, this is so cute. I will be showing what fits inside, of course, because you know people are using this as a handbag, just like as a straight up handbag. So let me just take you on a quick tour of the bag. So you have the front here. You've got the two little wings, and then you have the beautiful Longchamp gold button, and then the Longchamp gold little pull tab, and then nothing on the back. And then on the inside, it does have a zip closure, as you can see. And then on the inside, it just looks like this. Just like an empty spot on the inside, and little card. And this retails for $85. So with taxes, I want to say shipping was free, but with taxes, I believe it was like 90 bucks. So definitely inexpensive, and it makes a adorable little crossbody bag. Are you joking? This is gonna be so freaking cute. So this is the first piece. Let me go ahead and just show you what fits inside of here. Let me grab my current bag. Here is my current bag. If you have seen my most recent videos, I have not shut up about this bag, but it is my Nano Speedy with a cute little cinnamon roll charm on it. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen. But yeah, this is my current everyday bag. And to be honest, this bag right here is actually bigger than the Nano Speedy. I'm gonna have to do a comparison on these. That'd be a great video. Anyways, that's not the video today. I have a feeling it's gonna fit a lot. First things first, I have my phone. I have the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And it does fit. Yes, it does fit. No problem. I have a feeling that it's gonna take up a lot of room in the bag though. Then I've got my wallet right here, and that can go in front. Now, I'm just gonna tell you right now, I do not carry my phone inside my handbag. I just don't usually do that. I have my hand sanitizer. So I will show everything that fits in this bag, but then at some point I'm gonna take my phone out because I don't carry my phone inside my bag. I've got some gum. You can definitely fit way more in this bag if you don't put your phone in here. I do love the fact that my hand sanitizer can just stand up though. Like it doesn't have to be on its side. Then I've got my headache medication. That's really getting close. Like I should. Can I fit my AirPods? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So that's pretty much it that can fit in the bag with my phone. And then it snaps closed. So cute. So cute. So let me actually take my phone out because you'll be able to fit so much more in here without the phone. So I've got everything else. Does my Nano Speedy fit more than this? I've got my Chanel hand cream in here. That goes in, oh yeah, that goes in really easily actually. And then AirPods, my headache medication. Okay, yeah. Okay, so everything that fits inside of my Nano Speedy will fit inside of here with no issue. And then I do have some lip products. I do have a travel fragrance. I'm probably not gonna put this in here because I don't want it to get everywhere, and I have a pin that could easily go in. And then my keys. Yeah. Oh my God. That fits so much stuff. Like, I mean, obviously if you're needing to take a lot more with you, then this won't be the type of bag for you. Like this is considered a mini bag. It's not even actually a bag. It's a cosmetics pouch, but this is great. Anyways, that is the first item. Now let's move on to this baby right here. So this, so excited. This I actually already have, and I ordered it in another color because I love it so much. And I'm not 100% sure what I'm gonna do, if I'm gonna keep this one and then try to sell my black one, or if I end up liking the black one more, I might just return this one. I don't know. Look. So yes, I ordered another one of these Songmont bags because they came out with new colors, you guys. I can't see it yet. Here's the little card. I can see it a tiny bit. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. So this one, I have the black version of this, but they came out with an ivory color and they came out with a lavender color. And I'm so excited. I got the ivory color. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I got another Songmont Luna bag because I love my black one. I love this ivory color. So I thought it would be great if it came out in other colors. And then they did. They came out with this beautiful ivory and then again, a lavender color for spring. Look, oh my goodness, are you kidding me? It still has the beautiful green interior. It's beautiful. God, it's so soft, I swear. And then, of course, you can attach these the same way you would the black one. Look how pretty. And then you can take these off here and then fold these two little guys in. And it's a little dumpling bag. Look, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, so cute. And then you can take this right here, fold it underneath, and then you could attach it like this, and you have like a little top handle kind of in the crook of the elbow situation, very editorial. And then of course you can hook on the crossbody strap using these little rings right there. I love it, I love it, I love it. I have already done like a full unboxing of my other one, so I don't want to go too far in depth regarding this bag. If you are interested, I will have my original unboxing linked in the description, so you can go check it out. When you open it up, here's what it looks like on the inside. And then it's got a beautiful green interior. It does have one slip pocket right back there, if you can see that. Let me get my stuff out of the Longchamp bag. Now, this one I do think I can fit my phone in, no problem. It just kind of goes in. There's no issue there. And then I've got my card holder. Of course, that will go in. I've got my hand sanitizer. That can go in, no problem. I've got my gum that can go in. This bag does fit more. It is a little bit cumbersome with how you fit your stuff in, just because it's not flat on the bottom. It is like rounded, like a moon shape, so it is a little awkward. I've got my Chanel hand cream that can like fit on the side over here. My AirPods. Of course, those can fit in on the other side. And then my headache medication that can just go in. And then of course my lip products and my pin, and then my keys. All of that stuff can go in with no problems whatsoever. And I love how like slouchy it looks. I don't know, like I kind of like it. I feel like my other one doesn't really do that. My black one, I feel like has a lot more structure. Maybe it's the same. Maybe I'm just losing my mind. I don't know. Because I don't feel like mine has like this dip to it. So this is the black one. This is the one that I have. Milled fine calf leather. Soft leather with a supple hand feel, okay? And then the ivory one. Okay, it's the same thing. Milled fine calf leather. Yeah, it looks like it's the same thing. I don't know. This one feels a lot more slouchy to me. Like, I don't know why. It feels a lot more squishy. Let me grab it so I can do like a comparison, because I feel like I'm going insane. This is gonna be a long video. So here's my black one, and it does have stuff in it. Like it has like stuffing in it. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just insane. I don't know, but I feel like this one, look, does this one not look more droopy to you? And then when I shake it, it's like droopy. It's like blah, 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 blah. And then this one, when I shake it, it's like way more sturdy. Am I just nuts? Do you see a difference? Oh my God, please tell me you see a difference. Anyways, you guys, that has been my double unboxing for today. Let me know in the comments which of these bags that I unboxed today is your favorite. Just leave me a comment down below letting me know if you think any of these bags are practical, if you like either one. Just tell me anything, because I'm nosy and I want to know that. But you guys, thank you again so much for watching this video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me, and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!